All right, Math 1, final benchmark, number 10. Consider polygon 1. Okay, you can see that here on the graph. And it says polygon 1 is translated 4 units up and then reflected across the y-axis to form polygon 2. Which statement about the polygons are true? All right, so remember you can shift this up and down, you can shift it left or right, and you can reflect it, and it doesn't change the shape or the size of the polygon. All right, so in order for that to happen, that means it is a rigid transformation. So both A and B, where it says non-rigid, we can cross those out. We know that these are not options because of the non-rigid part. All right, so C part says translations and reflections. Translations, remember that's shifts up and down, left and right, and reflections are both rigid transformations. So polygon 1 is congruent to polygon 2. Congruent just means it's equal, so it's same size and shape. So we're going to say yes, that is true. D part, let's check it. Translations and reflections are both rigid transformations. That is true. So polygon 1 is not congruent. The not congruent makes this one not true. So for number 10, the correct answer is C.